Hi, Miss Flor de Lisa. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am, sir.
Okay, so please introduce yourself.
I am Flor de Lisa Artrio, 37 years old, married, blessed with two kids, and work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. Serve for 3 persons.
Okay. So, what is your main duties from your previous employer?
Doing the household chores, washing, cooking, cleaning the house.
Okay. So, what are the most important things in taking care of the children?
First, you have to take care of the children, most especially their health, their personal hygiene, as well as their good health.
So, can you sing nursery rhymes for the children?
Yes, ma'am, sir, I can.
Okay. So, can you sing for us now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Baby John, Baby John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding.
Okay, thank you, Miss Fiordalisa. So, what do you think is the reason why the baby is crying?
Maybe the diaper is wet, or they are hungry, or maybe they are sick.
Okay. Then, what if the baby is sick and your employer is not home? What will you do?
I will give them the medicine, and then I will call my employer to know the situation of the baby.
Okay. So, what made you decide to work in Hong Kong?
I want to earn money for my family.
Okay. Then, how long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my 2 years, but as long as my employer like me.
Then, how will you overcome homesickness?
I will get myself busy to work, and I will pray.
Okay. Do you have any last message to your future employer?
To you, ma'am, sir, please hire me, for I am a good person, I am honest, I am loyal, and I do all my best to work with you. Thank you, ma'am, sir.
Thank you very much and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, kindly show your best smile.